The DRDO had successfully tested the Quick Reaction Surface-to-Air Defense System yesterday, during which it successfully targeted a pilotless aerial platform at medium range and medium altitude. Officials have said that the test was not done under user trials by the armed forces, and this test was actually the last developmental trial of the indigenous system. The QRSAM will be tested by the Indian Army and the Air Force in the next phase, which will be followed with production of initial batches for the armed forces. The Mach 4.7 capable QRSAM has an effective range of 30 kilometers, and its two forward radar systems provides 360-degree coverage, and can simultaneously track 100 targets and engage 6 targets, and this highly mobile platform has been developed to provide air defense coverage to the strike columns of the Indian Army. After the barrel burst incident in September, the Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System went through a detailed probe by a multi-agency failure investigation committee, and new reports indicate that the 155mm ATAGS has undergone several changes, and it is ready to be tested again. Under the Army's Field Artillery Rationalization Plan of 3,000 artillery systems, at least half of these will be the indigenous Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System. The UAE Air Force is moving ahead to buy around 50 F-35 aircraft from US and 36 Rafale fighters from France, and it wants to sell its 69 Mirage-2000 fighter jets. UAE doesn't want to sell these fighters to Taiwan, which could gain the attention from China, so the next best option is to sell the 69 Mirage-2000 fighter jets to India, which already has the service and support facility in place, as well as the deal with Dassault Aviation to refurbish these jets to Mirage-2000 UPG standard. A massive new building is coming up right next to the Bengaluru International Airport, which will be Boeing's largest product development facility outside the US. Boeing is investing around 1,500 crore rupees on the new facility, and it will employ around 3,000 people with software development divisions, a variety of laboratories, testing and maintenance facilities. The CEO of Lockheed Martin India, William Blair, has said that their center is investing in design and development of composites for aerostructures in India that will be of high value to the aerospace and defense industry. The Ordnance Factory Board has launched an indigenously developed automatic filling and assembly plant for 30mm BMP-2 ammunition. The concept was developed by the Ordnance Factory, and the design and fabrication was done by private sector firm Cybernetic Technologies. The automatic control of process parameters helps to eliminate the margin of human error and enhances quality and reliability. The ordnance factories have also started using dedicated user access controlled web browser for process control management, which will also add to higher productivity and quality.
Omar dropped it.